get your chair.
Wait a minute.
No.
What is it?
Walk through this way.
No.
That's a blanket.
We need a blanket for. You're hot.
I don't know about that little blanket.
Well, we'll get you one when you get in your chair.
No, you don't know that.
You want a Kleenex or drink?
Oh, they're delicious.
There's your paper towel. You go to sleep?
Yeah. I don't know.
Mom, look at Jenny. I'm going to take a picture for Judy. You want to say hi, Judy?
Hi, Judy.
I'll send it to her through the computer so she can see you.
Okay, that'd be good.
Okay. Put your feet up, Mom. You're leaning more forward.
No, I don't know.
Well, we'll get your chair. We'll get you what you need. You want to sit down? Tim Paul is left. Okay. Move your feet forward.
Oh,
Yeah.
Stand up straight, Mom.
They supposed to go home. It was here earlier.
It's nice.
No.